Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is IKEA Aterloga. It's a tooth with storage. It comes with two color, dark grey and light blue, as you see in the screen. You can use this poof in many ways as footrest or extra space as a table. More than that, it also gives a convenient storage space. When it comes to the materials being used for this product, is the fabric is 100% polyester, the frame is 100% polypropylene and 100% polyester, solid wood, plywood and paperboard, which are 100% recyclable. The lid is made up of 100% polypropylene, 100% polyester, polyamide plastic, and the leg is made up of solid beech. To care this product, it's very easy. You can clean it by vacuuming or use a lint roller to remove the dust. Light stains can be removed with a sponge damped in water or a mild solution. The cover is non-removable. It is attached to the frame, so you cannot wash it and you should not bleach it or tumble dry or iron it. You can easily move it because of its small size, and it comes with a 10 years of warranty on this product, and also it gives a ample amount of storage to you. When it comes to the price, it comes around 5990 in INR, and which is around 69 USD dollar. And when it comes to the measurement, it has a diameter of 48 centimeter and a height of 43 centimeter, and it weighs 7.2 kg. I hope you like this video. If you like this product, go grab it from your nearest IKEA store, and do like, comment and subscribe to get more video on product reviews like this. I see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.